Have you started renting out your home? Are you thinking about renting out your home? Whether it's for extra cash or because you're moving and want to keep the ownership of your home? Today, I'm diving into your current owner-occupied homeowners policy won't cut it when you become a landlord. I'll cover why your current policy falls short, the types of insurance you really need, how much it might cost you, and a real-life story that could save you thousands of dollars. By the end of this video, I hope that you'll know exactly what steps to take to protect your property and your finances when renting out your home. So let's get started. So first things first, your current homeowner's insurance policy is great when you're living at the home, but as soon as you move and start renting it, your policy needs to change. Here's why. It doesn't cover your tenant's belongings. You could lose valuable rental income if something happens. Insurance companies see more risk when you're not living at the home full time. So what type of insurance policy do you need? It's called a dwelling property insurance policy, or an insurance legal, a DP policy. This type of policy is specifically designed for rental properties. It covers the structure, appliance and fixtures, anything that is attached to the structure, like kitchen cabinets, sinks, and toilets, and loss of rental income if your property becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss, and liability to protect you in the event of a lawsuit were to occur on the property. Now you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, at Vargas & Vargas Insurance, we have insured thousands of these types of homes over the years. They range from as low as $700 a year to the thousands of dollars a year. It all depends on many factors, like your home's location, the size, the age, how many units in the building, and if it's a condominium, and the level of coverage that you'll need and you choose. And here's a real-life story that shows why it's worth every penny. One of our clients decided to rent out their vacation home without updating their insurance. The home was vacant for long periods of time, and during a cold snap, the heating system failed, and a pipe burst causing extensive damage. Because they hadn't changed to the right insurance policy for how the home was being used, their claim was denied. It was a costly mistake that could have been easily avoided. So don't let this happen to you. Whether you're renting out your entire home, just a room, for a week, a day, a weekend, or a month, or a year, you need the right coverage. Vargas & Vargas Insurance has been helping individuals and families and businesses for over 40 years all over Massachusetts. And our team will help navigate you through the world of dwelling policy insurance, or DP policies. We'll find the right coverage for you at the right bestable price, ensuring your rental property is both safe and successful. Ready to rent out your property with peace of mind? Give our team a call. We're here to make sure you're protected every step of the way. Stay informed, stay protected. Thanks for watching, and happy renting.